To activate Park Assist on your Tesla Model Y, follow these step-by-step instructions. First, ensure Park Assist is enabled in your Tesla's settings. From the main touchscreen, tap the menu icon and select Controls. In the Controls menu, select Autopilot. Scroll through the Autopilot options to find Park Assist. Tap to toggle Park Assist on, ensuring it shows green. Also, confirm your Tesla software is up to date for optimal performance. While driving slowly under 15 miles per hour near a potential parking spot, the system scans for spaces. When a suitable spot is detected, a Park Assist icon appears on the touchscreen. Tap the Park Assist icon to activate the feature. The system will display parking lines on the screen. Press the Start button to initiate the automated parking sequence. While Park Assist handles the steering, the driver remains in control of the vehicle's speed using the accelerator and brake pedals. It's crucial to monitor your surroundings at all times, even with Autopark active. The system can be overridden at any point by pressing the brake pedal or tapping Cancel on the screen. For Park Assist to function properly on your Tesla Model Y, several system prerequisites must be met. Let's break down each requirement step by step. First, the vehicle must be in drive mode. This is indicated by the D on the gear selector, which allows the car to move forward. Park Assist requires this mode to be active for the system to engage steering controls. Second, autopilot features must be enabled on your Model Y. Navigate to Controls, Autopilot in the touchscreen settings, and ensure Park Assist is toggled on. This connects the vehicle's autonomous systems to the parking functionality. Third, the system relies on a combination of ultrasonic sensors, cameras, and radar positioned around the vehicle. These detect obstacles and parking spaces, so it's crucial to keep them clean and unobstructed for optimal performance. Finally, it's recommended to have the latest Tesla software installed. Check for updates under Settings, Software to access the newest improvements, bug fixes, and enhancements to Park Assist functionality. Park Assist on the Tesla Model Y is designed to recognize both parallel and perpendicular parking spaces. The system uses a combination of ultrasonic sensors, forward-facing cameras, and radar to scan for suitable spots while driving at speeds below 15 miles per hour. When a spot is detected, it alerts you through the touchscreen by displaying parking lines that guide the vehicle. If no appropriate space is found right away, the system might prompt you to circle the block and try again. However, be aware that Park Assist may not work optimally in very tight or complex parking situations, adverse weather conditions, or when sensors are blocked. Park Assist incorporates several safety mechanisms, including haptic feedback on the steering wheel and visual alerts on the screen. These features provide constant feedback to ensure the driver remains engaged and aware during the parking process. The system may not activate in adverse conditions like heavy rain if sensors are impaired, prioritizing safety over functionality in challenging environments. It also disengages if sensors are blocked, preventing operation when the vehicle's detection systems cannot function properly. Remember, Park Assist is an aid, not a replacement for attentive driving. Over-reliance on the technology can be dangerous, as the driver must always remain vigilant and ready to intervene. Park Assist can also help you exit a parking spot. After activating Park Assist, the system can reverse out of certain parking spots autonomously. Use the touchscreen to initiate this function. The system will guide the vehicle backwards out of the spot. Be ready to assume full control if needed. The driver must monitor the process and be prepared to intervene. Always double-check your surroundings before fully exiting the parking space to ensure safety. If Park Assist isn't working properly, start by checking that all sensors are clean and free of obstructions like dirt or snow. Next, verify the feature is enabled in your Tesla settings under Controls, Autopilot, and Park Assist. Keep your Tesla software up to date, as updates often include improvements and bug fixes for Park Assist. Remember the system's limitations. Park Assist always requires driver supervision, and you must be ready to take control at any moment. For best performance, avoid using Park Assist in extreme weather conditions or areas with poor sensor visibility, such as heavy rain or fog. Park Assist works most effectively when you drive slowly, below 15 miles per hour, and allow the system ample time to scan for suitable parking spaces.